Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be doing a Ross fall clothing haul. I haven't done a clothing haul in months, if not maybe over a year. I don't know, it's been a while. So a few weeks ago I went shopping to Ross because honestly I had like no cute tops anymore. Obviously I was pregnant for 9 months, so I really didn't go shopping for actual clothing. I usually bought like pregnancy shirts and things like that. So I had tons of like pregnancy shirts and pregnancy dresses, which obviously I got rid of, and that left me with like very minimal clothes. So I was like, you know what? I am going to treat myself. So I went out to Ross to see what I found, and I found some really cute stuff. I'm super excited to share with you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy that. Make sure you are sitting back, you're relaxed, grab your cafecito. I just made my coffee and it looks so delicious. So cheers to you guys, and let's go ahead and start with this Ross fall clothing haul. Oh, that's good. Before jumping into the clothing haul, you guys, another thing that I recently got, if you guys know me personally or if you guys are just a little bit familiar with my channel, you may or may not know that I have a deadly obsession with perfumes. I was going to say with scents. I love perfumes. I love collecting perfumes. I have a few back here. I have some in my bedroom. I just love collecting them. So I wanted to show you guys some recent scents that I picked up from Scentbird. So if you guys don't know who Scentbird is, they are a monthly subscription box, which is only $15 a month. This is what the Scentbird little bags look like when you get your order. It comes in this cute little pouch. When you open it, it comes in a discreet little bottle like this. You just open it, and then you twist it, you pop it up, and then you get your scent right here. This one is Scents of Wood, Sandalwood, and Oak. P.S. you guys, your perfumes will come with little cards like these. So this one is Scents of Wood X Scentbird, and this one, look at how cute the bottle is. The scents will be on the back so you guys know exactly what you are using, and this one does have a very woody scent. So if you guys love that, it literally smells like you're just out in the woods. It smells very oaky, and it has here sandalwood, burnt sugar, smoked sage, I'm not sure how you pronounce this one, and vanilla. I can definitely smell the sandalwood and a little bit of the smoked sage. So if you guys love that kind of scent, you're definitely going to love this. It's a little bit stronger, but it lasts all day. You guys are going to love this one. Oh my gosh, I have been wanting this perfume for so long, and I just never bit the bullet. And when I saw this on Scentbird's website, I was like, okay, it is now or never. This is the Kat Von D Saint perfume. Oh my gosh, this smells so delicious. Oh, it has such a like fruity, fresh scent. I absolutely love this one. This is the one that I've actually been using a lot lately. I haven't used perfume today, so I'm going to spray myself. I'm going to show you guys another one of my favorites. And if you guys don't know, they actually have over 600 perfumes to choose from for men and women. So you are never going to get bored. And this is a 30-day supply. So if you love it, you now know that you can go out and actually purchase the full fragrance, or you can just keep trying out new scents. I mean, for me, it's like I would just keep trying out new scents because I want to smell different each month. But anyway, so this one right here is my absolute favorite one. This is Juicy Couture. Oh my gosh, these bring me back to like my teen years when I was obsessed with wearing Juicy Couture. I will have everything linked down below so you guys can check it out. I have a discount code that I will leave in the description box so you guys can check out and sign up for Scentbird, because honestly for $15 a month for a 1 month supply, that's not bad at all. And you can also upgrade to 2 to 3 perfumes a month if you just want to up your smell game, if you know what I mean. Let's go ahead and start, you guys, because baby is sleeping. He's sleeping right here. He's on his swing, and I don't want to wake him up with all this noise, so these are the bags. Alright, so I'm going to start with the biggest item first. So I have been wanting a cute jean jacket with this type of like quarter, I don't know how you fleece, I guess. And I have not seen them anywhere. Actually, I have seen them at like Forever 21 and they were like 40, 50, $60. I was like, so when I saw this one at Ross, I was like, oh my gosh, I have been dying for one like this. Oh, it's all full of hair. I swear, my dog sheds so much and I can't leave anything on the floor for like more than 5 seconds without it getting full of hair. But anyways, so this one was $20. For $20, I cannot pass this one up. I did buy it in a size medium. I didn't see a size small just because I didn't want it to be too oversized. But I'm actually glad that I went with a medium because I feel like if I ever wear this with like a chunky sweater, it won't be so like tight on my body, you know? So this is the jacket right here. Super cute. It is a little oversized, like I said, and I will be inserting clips of me trying on everything for you guys. But absolutely fell in love with this one. It's so pretty. It's super cozy. It does have it all around the inside. Look at all those hairs. It doesn't have it in the sleeves, but that's okay because more than likely I'm going to be wearing this with like long sleeve shirts and things like that. But it has it all in the back and it's actually pretty cozy. So definitely love this one. They did have a different style, like a darker wash, and I love jean jackets because they look super cute in the fall. You can dress them up, you can dress them down, and they just go with so many things. So definitely one of like my favorite picks that I got. And then I ended up finding some like cardigans when I was actually checking out. I was like, why, Ross? Why are you doing me like this? So I ended up getting this super cute beigey cardigan. I usually go for colors like this, either brown, black, or white, just because if I choose a burgundy, why is my camera not focusing? If I choose like a burgundy color of a cardigan, more than likely I'm not going to use it. I already know myself. So this one was $10.99, which again is super inexpensive. Oh my gosh, this cardigan is super cute. It's long. It's like a knitted cardigan, and this one with some cute boots and maybe like a white shirt or something like super fall. Oh my gosh, I can just see me wearing this with a cute little beanie. I'm not a big hat person, but I love wearing beanies. So love this one. I love how long it is from the bottom. If you love wearing leggings, this is a type of cardigan you want to go for because this is going to cover your bum. And because it is almost like a knitted sweater, it's going to keep you pretty warm. And obviously you would want to wear this with a long sleeve. Love the color and the material. The first thing that caught my eye when I walked into Ross was these boots actually. And I wasn't planning on like going shopping like that. I just wanted to go see what was up and what they had. And then I ended up walking out with like $200 worth of clothing. So I walked in and I saw these boots. I was like, oh my gosh, I need these in my life. So I am not a heel person anymore. I used to wear heels every single day back when I had like a 9-to-5 job, like 7 years ago. It's been a while since I've had a normal job, and I used to wear high heels every single day, you guys. I'm not even joking. So I'm kind of over that phase. I don't really like wearing heels anymore. I enjoy them every now and then, but for me, it's all about comfort, especially being a mom. If you're on the go, you know, you don't want to be wearing high heels. At least I don't. So these boots were $25, which I thought was a total steal. And again, for the fall, I love wearing booties like this. Just something a little bit more cozier, closed-toed, and brown. I love either brown, a camel color, or black in my shoes. Those are just like the colors that I gravitate towards. I don't remember if they had any other colors. Otherwise, I literally would have bought a black one because I am a psycho like that. But I thought these were super cute, and for $25, like, it's really not bad. And again, you can dress them up with so many different outfits. I feel like this one and this is going to look so cute together with maybe like a basic white tee or a basic like cream color shirt. It would look super cute. So I am so excited. The thing that sucks now is that with COVID is like, where am I going to go? I found one of the cutest plaid t-shirts. I haven't bought any plaid t-shirts in such a long time because I can never find cute ones that don't make me look manly, okay? So I saw this one as, again, I was leaving Ross. I was like, oh my gosh, it looked like somebody just put it there. Like they changed their mind. And I was like, girl, this is for me. So this one is actually in a size small. And I thought about it. I'm like, should I get it? Should I not? Especially right now because I am breastfeeding. My breasts are a little like larger than they normally are. I mean, I'm usually not like a large chested girl, but they are larger than normal. So this one was $9.99. And I thought to myself, okay, if it doesn't fit closed, I can just use it open with like a white t-shirt on the bottom or a black one or really any color that goes with this one. But I just loved it so much. I thought it was super cute. I think with some black jeans, this one would look so cute, which I ended up buying me 2 pairs of jeans. I normally don't do that. I don't like buying jeans for myself because I don't have hips or a butt. And it just makes me feel a little bit of self-conscious, but I was like, you know what? I need some cute jeans. So I did buy myself some jeans. So yeah. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot. This sweater, you guys, is my favorite. I didn't even know what to say. It's probably one of my favorites. And funny thing is, when I picked it out, I only seen the front. And then when I came home and I looked at the stuff, I was like, oh my gosh, the back is so cute. So this one was $13.99, and I actually got this one in an extra large because I really wanted it to be like super oversized and just like big and comfy and just super cozy. So this is what it looks like. It says Rise and Shine, and it's a mustard shirt, and I loved that it's not a crop top, but you can cinch it at the waist so you don't look so boxy. And the back is so cute. Look at that. It says, feel the sunset, desert vibes, Arizona. I love this because I am originally from New Mexico and we have, hello, tons of desert over there. So I love yellow. I love mustard color. It's one of my absolute favorite colors to wear as far as like clothing wise. So, oh, I'm so excited to wear this. You guys are probably going to see or sense a style here, which is very comfy, relaxed, and simple. And over the years, my style has definitely changed. And I'm definitely more of a cozy, comfy girl now. So moving on to the next few pieces. Also, you guys might notice that I wear a lot of turtlenecks. I love turtlenecks. Even though I have more of a round face, I still really like wearing turtlenecks. So this one was $9.99. And this one is just a basic green turtleneck shirt. Oh my gosh, this one is super duper cute. I love the color. Obviously very fall appropriate, so got that one. And then this one actually came in a 2-pack. I'll show you guys that one in just a second. This one is very basic, which I wanted something to wear when I was just maybe going out to the groceries. I have a pair of white Nikes that I think will look super cute with this one. This one is $8.99, and it's just a thin hoodie like this. I would definitely wear a shirt underneath. And it says faith. My faith is very important to me and I will wear it loud and proud. It doesn't have anything on the back, so it's just a plain, oh, a plain little sweater. I thought it was super cute. This one I got it in a size, I got it oversized too. I got it in a size large. So I'm usually a size medium on most clothing. Sometimes I can get away with wearing small. I personally don't like to wear skin tight clothes. I prefer to wear them a little bit more loose. So these jeans, I actually already worn them because I am a desesperada and I couldn't wait. So these, I don't remember how much they were, but I'm pretty sure they were the same price as the black ones. These are so, so cute, and I'm currently wearing a size 7 in jeans. So these are the ones that I got. I love the wash in them. In person, they're a tad bit lighter. Oh, baby's waking up. I love distressed jeans. Literally, like all my jeans are distressed. I need to buy some that are not distressed. This definitely has to be my favorite piece out of everything. This is a chunky, thick turtleneck sweater. This one was $11.99. And I love black, you guys. I love wearing black. I could wear black every single day if I could. I don't know, there's something about the color black that I just love wearing it. So it's very simple. Like there's nothing to it. It's just, you know, a black chunky turtleneck sweater. Super cute. I know it's going to be such a warm sweater to wear around the fall time, around the winter time. You can layer it up. I think this one with a jean jacket is going to look super cute. This is the pair of jeans that I got. These were $15.99. I'm pretty sure the other jeans were about the same price. I actually didn't have a black pair of jeans, which is weird. So I finally decided to buy myself some, and I bought these right here. I love jeans that have this style on the bottom that are like cut off because I am so short. Excuse me. Like I said, because I am so short, it's really hard for me to find jeans that are not crazy long, and even the jeans that are short literally fit me long. So the last shirts that I got are these right here. This one is another turtleneck. This one is a medium. And this one was only $6. This one again is just a long sleeve turtleneck shirt, very basic, but again you can dress it up with so many cute like cardigans on top, jackets, jean jackets. Anyways, so the last two shirts that I got, these actually came in a pack, so they came together, and I believe these were like $8 or something like that. Yep, $8. So it came in a pack of two, hello, black and white. And I did get them in a size large because the medium looked too small. So these are just basic t-shirts. It's a black semi-turtleneck shirt. It just goes up to here. And again, I just love this kind of style. So as you can tell, basic black shirt and then a basic white t-shirt. I just feel like these are very common shirts that you can wear with pretty much anything. Look at my messy pile in the back. Please ignore that. Anyways, you guys, so that is it. That is everything that I bought at Ross recently. If you guys want to see more videos like these, or maybe I can bring you shopping with me next time, definitely let me know in the comment section where we should go shopping together. Actually, there's a Burlington that just opened close by to where I live, so maybe we can go shopping there and find some cute outfits or home decor or anything like that. Definitely let me know in the comment section down below what you guys want to see next. Thank you guys so much for being here. Also, don't forget to check out Scentbird, their website, and use my code if you guys want to save some money on your first order. Thank you, Scentbird, for partnering up with me in this video. I love you guys. Stay safe, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.